What's up guys, let's make some delicious Lao Yum salad. I'm your host Harris Pianabong and this is Cooking with Mr. International. Alright guys, let's get started. For your convenience, go ahead and screenshot the recipe on the screen right here and let's get started. First, add oil to pan on high heat. Add a half cup of minced garlic until golden brown, followed by adding 1.5 pounds of ground pork, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder mix, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, followed by 1 cup of water. We're gonna let it simmer 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, transfer into a mixing bowl and let it rest. So let's make our dressing. Go ahead and add 6 egg yolks. Next, give it a little whisk. We want to make sure that we mix it in well. Next, add 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, followed by 2 tablespoons of lime. Give it another stir and stir that in well. And ta-da! We have our dressing. Next, add 10 cups of chopped leaf lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce, you can use whatever you want to use. Next, let's add a half a cup of thinly sliced cucumber, a half a cup of minced cilantro, 1 cup of thinly sliced tomatoes, a half a cup of sliced egg whites, and lastly, for crunch and texture, 1/3 of a cup of peanuts. Now slightly toss the salad. You don't want to break the egg whites. Presentation is key, right? Toss and mix well and we are done guys. Lao Yum salad. I'm your host Harris Pianabong and this is Cooking with Mr. International. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays!